the top news headlines. Supreme Court seizes ministerial berth of T.H. Shyamkumar. Media team visits Chasad, assesses ground situation. And 276 Indians test positive for coronavirus abroad, confirms MEA. A very good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur Television News at 6:30. I'm Loving Rimai with the news in detail. The Supreme Court today issued an interim order seizing ministerial berth of Manipur Minister T.H. Shyamkumar and barring him from entering the Manipur Legislative Assembly premises with immediate effect. The Forest and Environment Minister Shyamkumar is currently facing disqualification case under the 10th schedule. It may be recalled that Shyamkumar switched side to BJP and became a minister in Biren government after he won Andro's seat on Congress ticket in the last state assembly polls. The reserved verdict of the final hearing of the same disqualification case held at the Manipur Assembly Speakers Tribunal would be announced on March 28. The Congress party had raised a complaint with the Supreme Court against the failure of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker to announce his judgment in the Shyamkumar disqualification case within 4 weeks' time given by the apex court, Congress MLA K. Meghachandra told media this afternoon at his official quarter in Imphal. He said the apex court today ordered T.H. Shyamkumar to step down as minister and as MLA, besides ordering him not to enter the Manipur Legislative Assembly premises. MLA Meghachandra added the Supreme Court also asked Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand to announce his reserved verdict on March 28, failing which the apex court will fix another date for disqualifying Shyamkumar. A team of journalists visited Chasad village under Kamjong subdivision to assess the ground situation after some miscreants torched over 100 houses in the village on March 16 in a field over land. A young boy at the village said he had to run for life and take shelter at the 42 Assam Rifles camp with his family members. Another boy said the attackers were armed and violent. They threatened the villagers that they will burn everyone alive. The villagers were facing this kind of distressing situation when their village was attacked and houses were reduced to flames and cinders. Chochong, a villager, accused the security forces, including the police, of aiding the attackers who came from Sampui village. Chochong further claimed that the police and Assam Rifles in Chasad area were just watching when the attackers fired gunshots and burned houses. The security forces did nothing to stop the attack. Meanwhile, additional DGP Manipur L. Kailun said that after a ministerial team headed by Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar visited the village yesterday, the two sides met and agreed to solve the impasse and that the district administration will try to ease all problems. He said a peace committee, which was formed in the aftermath of the incident, met today for the second time to bring back normalcy and improve law and order in the area. Maximum efforts are also being made to provide immediate relief to the victims, he said. However, imposition of CRPC 144 will remain in force in the area. Kuki INP and other Kuki organizations like KKL, KSO and KWOHR also extended assistance to the victims today.
In Chasad area, we have only one school. They also banned that school. The police did not protect us. Even they protect us. They are helping for throwing stone. They shoot gun, but some rifle and police people did not do anything. So we like to say that even OC and his staff did not get any suspended. We did not receive any relief fund from the state government or any organization.
A total of 276 Indians have tested positive for coronavirus overseas to date, the center said today. According to report, 255 tested positive in Iran, with others in the United Arab Emirates, Italy, Kuwait, Sri Lanka, Rwanda and Hong Kong. Minister of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan made the statement in a written reply to the question in Lok Sabha today. The total number of reported novel coronavirus cases in India has climbed to 153, with 12 fresh cases reported from various parts of the country today. The total cases in India include 25 foreign nationals and the 3 persons who died in Delhi, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Ahantem Bimol was sworn in as the additional judge of Manipur High Court. The swearing-in ceremony was held at the High Court of Manipur, Imphal. 50-year-old Ahantem Bimol is a resident of Kaishamthong Ahantem Lekai in Imphal West. He has also served as a senior advocate at the High Court of Manipur. Coronavirus screening continued in Jiribam district of Manipur, which borders Assam. Over 5,000 people have been screened in the district so far. The step has been taken up under the instruction of Manipur Health Services Department. Chief Medical Officer Dr. E. Okandro Singh told our correspondent that awareness programs on COVID-19 have also been organizing in Jiribam under the supervision of the district administration.
ngasi bo akoi masi kan na satajari akoi jifogda sarangna 5000 gumba screen tawre sida foreigner khar su yaukre adu jifogdadi akoi suspected case di akoi thengnajadri.
Irate locals today blocked the Kurai Tensit Road in Imphal East against the alleged failure of the concerned authority to complete repair work on the road now lying in bad condition. Commuters faced difficulty due to the road blockade. One of the protesters said that road mishaps have increased along Kurai Tensit Road. He urged the government to take necessary action to ensure completion of the repair work immediately.
Narendra Modi ki yam phajaba swasthya bharat mission gain masa luma nan bagi marak sida akoi swai jadana handak ki laibe BJP sarkar jina upun bijeraga akoi je na ek angang mayam ama hanu hanam ama hat kadbi mongda sahi tara je he irang tokdribok ta daba aduna ngasi je hongnarubu naidana myam jina tholaga sigi mamang da uriba lambi je atubada ngasi nongni sida sembiu natraga di akoi matam kaktana mafam ji thingjanjagane haiba adugi wakhal londu da ngasi mayam je hongnabu naidana tholaga lambi je thingibani.
Civil society organizations in Manipur continue to oppose candidature of titular King Leshemba Sanajoba for the March 26 Rajya Sabha election. Kurai Coordinating Committee expressed displeasure over the titular King's decision to join electoral politics without renouncing the royal title. The committee appealed to Sanajoba to rethink his stand.
Manipur ki ningthauche yamna lemna koi Japan ningthau Spain leiba damaina ningthau leibiu yaudaba yadre haigana lakliba tang kudre haibadi tang kuntroki mamangda ningthau khubam thadok piu aduga lemna magi to yawbum thobo MP de yobigo ningthau waina haidi ningthau lechama sana jabo ni yawbodi akoi yajangde tungidam ta khalaga ningthau khopamche hantok piu haina hajani.
Meanwhile, Tangkhul Nagalong TNL has warmly welcomed the candidature of titular King Leshemba Sanajoba. During a press meet at Ukhrul headquarters yesterday, TNL President Hopingson A. Shimre opined that serving a state as a king and an MP is the same thing. Hopingson added that TNL welcomes the decision of Leshemba Sanajoba.
Manipur ki merger of Manipur Madugi Ayabuni Anisu cannot outraina Mimiamna Nungaita Visu Pongtogni. Madu complications, Maduda labor, intricacies, polemics, Maduda controversies, Miamdo. I Madudi Toitogna detail when I did Madudi Highway. Adubo misak amawaina magi aphabado magi nungsi haiba adu yang bada koina nungsi ba yaba yamna nungsi ba misak amawaina ma kara di phagni haibagi adum comment pije bwani
ekhoi marakta imphal lakrabdi magi yum da su adum koira raga ekhoi yam nungaina adum relation se pilap tona raga le aduna handak asida ma nangam rabdi ma raja sabha candidate ma waini hasidi ai tangkul chief association gi saita egi view da ai personal view waina mabu edi karabdi ekhoi mayam si amuga development ra kri kri ekhoi chawkhat pa kri gumbadi ekhoi tangkul su maide su lenmak asi ekhoi tribal gi tamak su phagni habsi egi wakhandal le.
In the wake of increasing cases of coronavirus in India, the Dekakas Education Center Regional Office, Delhi, organized public awareness program on the virus at different locations of Delhi today. Hand sanitizers and masks were distributed to people free of cost. Managing Director of Dekakas Education Center, Dr. I.S. Kontojam, and Coordinator Santosh Kumar Gupta took part in the awareness program. The Western and Central Railways have increased the price of platform tickets to as much as ₹50 as a measure to control crowd in the wake of the prevailing coronavirus outbreak in the country. As per a media report, platform ticket, which would earlier cost ₹10, will now cost ₹50. The railways, in a statement, said platform tickets will be sold at a new rate to avoid crowding at platforms. The new ticket price will be effective in close to 250 stations in the 5 divisions under the Western Railway Mumbai, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Ratlam, Rajkot and Bhavnagar, the reports added. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization has condemned the decision of titular King of Manipur, Leshemba Sanajoba, to contest the March 26 Rajya Sabha election as BJP candidate from Manipur. Through a press release, AMESCO described the decision as unfortunate and a threat to the existing culture and tradition of Manipur. The Sana Konung Thangta Loishang and its associated groups have taken a stand to extend support to every decision taken by titular King of Manipur, Leshemba Sanajoba, who is set to contest the upcoming Rajya Sabha election. The decision came following a meeting at the Ultra Shanglen, Imphal, according to a press release. People's Action for National Democratic Movement has accused Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Imphal, of violating the recruitment norms of Ministry of Health Services and Family Welfare. In a press release, Pandam also said that RIMS has failed to respond to an RTI filed a month back regarding the matter. A 5-day-long training program for supervisors and enumerators for the 2021 census exercise in Taubal and Kakching districts was kicked off yesterday at the District Election Counting Hall, Taubal. Altogether, 23 field trainers are taking part in the program, which will continue till 21st of March. The training program is jointly organized by Directorate of Census Operation, Government of Manipur and District Administration, Taubal. Now let's take a look at the sports news. The Roland Garros or the French Open tennis tournament has been postponed till September. According to media reports, the French Tennis Federation announced the decision yesterday. Earlier, the Grand Slam tournament was scheduled at Paris on May 24. This is the first instance of a Grand Slam tournament being affected by coronavirus that has spread around the world. The next major tennis championship currently on the calendar is Wimbledon, which is slated to start in late June in England. Patsoi Tuliyaima Sanctuary Club has postponed the state-level 7A side men's football tournament 2020 after the restrictions imposed by the government in view of coronavirus threat. Schedule for the remaining matches of the tournament will be fixed after March 31, a release date today. And before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Supreme Court seizes ministerial berth of T.H. Shamkumar. Media team visits Jasad, assesses ground situation. And 276 Indians test positive for coronavirus abroad, confirms MEA. That's the end of the bulletin. For the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.